I have a client lesson for you today that came from an aha moment that I had on a coaching call earlier. And we're going to talk about willpower versus want power. So, when me and her started working together, we were talking about goals. And she shared with me that she wants to have the willpower to make choices that help her both mentally and physically. So, fast forward to today, we're on session 4. She wrote on her pre-session form that she's officially no longer convinced that she needs willpower to make healthy choices for herself. And she also shared that she's been noticing that she's been making healthy choices because she's been wanting to, and not because she's been feeling like she needs to force it or, make herself do so. For the first time since before she tried various diets, which was like years ago. And this was such a massive realization and breakthrough moment. I was so proud as a coach. And if you too find yourself waiting for that day when all of a sudden you're going to have impenetrable willpower and can robotically eat a specific perfect diet, you'll always be waiting. Willpower is not the reason you haven't been able to stay on track with your eating habits. It is not why you find yourself feeling out of control around certain foods and overeating or binge eating. And it's not why you feel like a failure when you can't fight off your weeknight cravings. If you feel like willpower is the thing that's holding you back, I would recommend you try working on your relationship with food and the psychology behind your eating habits. You'll be able to shift from willpower to want power. Willpower is making yourself or controlling yourself to do something that you don't really actually want to do. You feel like you should do it. And it usually involves a lot of effort and energy to go against your will. And because of that, it just isn't a sustainable approach. Want power is when you have the drive within to actually want to do something. You're naturally pulled or driven to do it. You're drawn to take action. And it feels easy and effortless to do. And it all comes from doing the deeper work. It is sustainable and it is enjoyable. If you want some support in making that shift, I would love to help you through my custom coaching program. Shoot me a PM to learn more.